Hello guys, welcome back to the channel where you find all things beauty here. Today I'm going to give you this beautiful, pretty rose gold eyeshadow makeup tutorial. And I'm going to show you how I got this look step by step, full makeup tutorial. If you guys like makeup tutorials and you like to see full steps, go ahead and subscribe to this channel because I bring you full makeup tutorials, beauty tutorials in general, okay? Yeah, let's get into it. So now I'm diving into the Go Glow. This is a priming serum with 24 karat gold. Love this serum. It really, allow my foundation to stay on really nice, long. And I even use the I used an SPF by Mary Kay, and then right now I'm applying the Juvia'splace brow product, and I'm using that on my brows. Not doing nothing really, dramatic. I'm not really fooling with my brows. I really learned that I don't need to take too much time with my brows. The foundation of my choice today is the Evenbetter Clinicals by Clinique. Love that Evenbetter foundation. It's the serum foundation. It's full coverage. It's a mattifying foundation, SPF 25. So I got double for my trouble. Okay, girl, you need to have an SPF. Okay, if you're allergic, you need to incorporate something that can take the place of an SPF, like petroleum jelly, something with algae in there, shea butter. You need something to protect your skin, okay, from the sun or whatnot. So, girl, we need to protect our skin from skin cancer, and SPF helps. Now I'm diving into my concealer by Brown Beauty, REM Beauty. Diving into that, I really like the consistency of this concealer. Nice and thick. It doesn't take much, but it looks like I'm using a lot. But a little bit goes a long way with this concealer. I love concealers where I don't have to work extra hard, and still get what I want done. I like that. I like that a lot. So, yeah, you can kind of not see really everything that I'm doing right now, but you can see that I'm blending that concealer in. Probably just putting more on there. I love to have concealer that is full coverage and mattifies and, don't crease. And it's not easy to find the perfect concealers that don't crease, because a lot of stuff that you put on your face, a lot of your makeup may crease during some time of the day, but at the end of the day, if you set it with a setting powder or translucent powder of your choice, that really helps a lot to keep it, okay? So I go into my sponge and I blend it in before I get ready to set it with my Fenty Beauty setting powder by Banana. I like to use the banana. I like the butter. I love Fenty. Fenty is my go-to setting powder. My go-to setting powder. Love it, love it, love it. Smells like cake. It's really nice. So before I set everything, I'm going into my bronzing palette by Juvia'splace. I love Juvia'splace deep dark bronzer. It's really nice. It's 2 shades in there. It's like a reddish brown and a dark deep brown. Really nice. You can use both of those in combinations. You can use the lighter brown to kind of make sure that deep brown is blended in like a pro. So I like that. So yeah, I like to hit that nose. I just like to take it everywhere so I can just make it look like it's seamless. I don't really like for no one to know that I contour. That nose is always the hardest to hide when you're contouring, but if you just take your time and, one thing that I've learned about contouring, so it's best if you contour before you set, because if you set it, you can make that contour seem seamless. You can make it look invisible. So yeah, It's going to give you a little bit more made up look. You know, when you use a setting powder, it gives you that more made up look. Diving into my LIMECRIME palette, my fave palette to use. I love iridescent colors. I love sheer. I love glitter. Yeah. So yeah, I'm diving into that palette. I'm using that pretty brown color in there. And I'm just putting that all over my lid, you see. And then I'm going to put in that pretty rose gold looking sheer color. And I love rose gold on my eyes. I like to create that. You know, I like to do different things nowadays, you know. And I don't want looks that takes hours to do. I don't think it'll take me hours to do. It'll probably take me an hour, maybe 30 minutes, you know. Because I kind of know what I want, you know. I like to really go in already knowing how I want my look to be. So yeah, as you see, I'm just, I did put some glitter glue there so that it can hold that shadow in place. And yeah, and I did put the setting powder on my lid so that my shadow won't crease. Okay, it's best that you keep that lid dry, girl. You want to get that lid dry. It helps for us with creases in your eyeshadow. Okay, and if you don't have a powder, you should have an eyeshadow primer. That also helps with creases because it keeps that lid dry and in place. So yeah, playing with these glitters, and I'm just blending it into that lid. I'm putting it right on that lid. Not fully, but I'm just like creating a line. Then I go into my NYX liner, create my wing, because you know it really ain't me most of the time if I don't make a wing, girl. I like a wing. If you don't know how to do a wing, as much as you do it, the more better you will become. Okay, to creating that wing. Okay, you ain't gonna learn overnight. You might not learn 4 months from now, 5 months from now, but you will learn how to create that wing. If you got hooded eyes, you got to learn your eyes. You got to know how to land that liner to give you that wing, okay? And I will have a class one day on that on this channel, okay? Now, so then I get underneath the eye, clean up under there. I like to clean under there with like eyeshadow. So I just take that brown that I put all over my eye and I put it underneath my waterline. And then I will begin to put a mascara or a black eyeliner there. I like black eyeliners that blend real good with any color that I put on that waterline. You can't go wrong with a black eyeliner. Be careful putting eyeshadow underneath the eye because it kind of get in your eyes a little bit. So you need to make sure that brush is the right, you know, brush to put there, you know, so you won't be like blinking too much. Then I dive into my roller mascara, my roller lash by Benefits, and love this. I done went through about 3 or 4 of these, and that's just what I do. I can use any mascara as long as it's hyperallergenic. If it itches and irritates my eyes, I won't use it, you know. Then I go behind it with a MAC, the MAC mascara. Because I like the dark. I like how dark that MAC mascara is. Then I go into my fave highlighter by Stella. Kitten. So I'm diving in that and I'm putting that all over, you know, and I like the way that look with this eye look. It really glams. I had people asking me questions all day. They was like, how you get that look? What eyeshadow did you use? What highlighter did you use? How did you get that? How do you get that glow? You know, stuff like that, okay? So, yeah, finishing up, girl, diving into Take Me Home by MAC, okay? The Patrick Star blush. I love this blush. It's kind of like rosy. And I like to make my cheeks rosy. I like rose cheeks. I like the rose color, okay? Yeah, and then I'm diving back into that contour and getting that nose real good because you know she got to be right. That nose got to be right. I'm almost done. Brows looking good. Everything looking good. Everything in place, okay? And if you want to get this look, do this look, grab a brush, grab your makeup, and do it with me, girl. diving into my chocolate lip liner. And I'm going to seal the deal with a gloss. I've been rocking these glosses, okay, by NYX. NYX make great lip glosses. If you guys don't know, you should check it out. If you don't know, now you know. Check out NYX lip glosses. They're amazing for your lip. Then, I dive into the Kylie lipstick and mattifying. I really don't like it's really nice. It's a nice lip. It's really mattifying, but it makes my lips feel weird. You need to exfoliate before using this. The Kylie Jenner lipstick, because it really it makes the lips like it starts to stick together. It's just, you need to mattify your lips, and you don't need to keep applying that product, girl. So here's my finished look, and this is what we got. This is what you came here for. I hope to see you in my next video. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Peace.